Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to add this PC, recycle bin or documents icons to your desktop. So if you have by accident deleted these icons and don't know how to add again, then this guide is for you. So right click on the desktop and hit personalize. In this screen go to themes and on the right side of page go to desktop icon settings. As you can see, my computer recycle bin is turned off, so check them, hit apply and press OK. Now go back to your screen. As you can see, the icons have appeared again. So that's it. It is a very simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.